UAE Worksheets. Procedural writing. How to make hummus. What is procedural writing? Procedural writing is when you write instructions for others to follow. You can teach other people how to do things by writing out step-by-step instructions for them to follow. Procedural writing can be used for writing out a recipe to teach your cousin how to make your favorite food. Writing out the directions to teach a friend how to make a craft. Or it can even be used to write out directions for your daily routine. Using transition words in your writing is important. Transition words help make your sentences flow smoothly and shows the correct order of your directions. Transition words make your writing sound nicer and easier to understand. Examples of transition words are first, then, next, after, and finally. In procedural writing, you need to write a title, a list of materials or items needed, each step in the correct order. Let's practicing procedural writing. Title: How to make hummus. Ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt. First, add the chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice and a pinch of salt to a blender. Then, put the lid on the blender and blend for 1 minute until it is smooth. After, scoop out the mixture into a bowl with a spoon. Finally, drizzle with olive oil and enjoy. Imagine if you changed the order of the steps. Does the order of the step matter? What would happen if you changed the order of the instructions? It is important to write out each step carefully with as many details as possible. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.